If you have ever broken off the propeller adapter of your brushless motor, I will show you in this video how to repair it. First, I had to remove a screw from the upper part of the motor. There was a metal clip at the rear end of the shaft which I also removed. Then I was able to remove the upper part of the motor, from which I removed the old metal shaft. Next, I looked for a new metal shaft with a diameter of 3 mm. I took the handle of a coat hanger and sawed it to size. For the rear end of the motor shaft, I used spacer rings that can be fastened with a small screw and which I know from the drive shafts of RC boats. I filed down the contact surface on the metal shaft where the fastening screw would hit the shaft. When assembling, I marked the approximate height at which the fastening screw meets the motor shaft. I also filed down this point a little. Time to assemble all the parts. In the end, the motor turns wonderfully and I wanted to try it out with a propeller right away. I had to put a new propeller adapter on the new shaft, which becomes tight when the screw is tightened. Everything works perfectly fine and I'm super happy that I can still use my brushless motor. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.